Hi and welcome back. Now we're going to start your pattern. Whichever pattern you've picked, almost every single one of them will start from the center of the pattern and then it will repeat. And it will show you the repeat lines. You can also search the internet for filet crochet, which uses a filler stitch or a loop stitch, similar to kind of cross stitch, to fill in your designs, and you just fill in the areas that obviously create the design. When you begin your project, as we mentioned before, I always start from the center. We've measured our yarn. You're going to work left to right, and then you're going to flip it. So I'm threading my needle, and I'm bringing it through, and I'm going to center it so that there are the equal amounts of yarn to complete both sides of my project. 99% of the time, you're picking up the vertical floats. The vertical floats run up and down, and you're pulling them through. Now let's say we've completed our entire design all the way across. We're going to remove our needle. We're going to load. We're going to turn it around, our piece around, and we're going to go back and complete the rest, repeat the design across the other side of our project. And this will go on until you continue to build it and complete whatever design you've chosen, whether it's the tulip or the bow. There are a lot of great patterns out there. You can even create your own if you use a grid to just fill it in. I think we've covered pretty much the basics in our video today. I will show you one more thing before we do I talked about doing the loop stitch. This is also used in doing when you put names in on letters. When you come out of the vertical, you're going to count up 3. You're going to come in behind it. Come back down, go through the same hole, pick up the next vertical. Oops. And this creates our double loop stitch. This way. Here we go. Come across. See how it creates? It's almost like a cross stitch. Then when you come up to the second row, you do the same thing, and you're picking up from here. I'm going to just come up